You probably think your attention span is destroyed by TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, but here's the truth. Your attention span isn't broken. Your brain is just starving. Starving for something that actually matters. See, every time you scroll, your brain gets microdoses of junk food, fake productivity hacks, recycled drama, cats that sound like rappers. It's like eating chips all day. You're full, but never satisfied. So, of course, you can't focus. You're not broken, you're just bored. Now, here's the fix. Don't delete your apps. Don't do a dopamine detox. Those hacks crash faster than your New Year's resolutions. Instead, find one thing that makes your brain lean in. Something worth obsessing over. It could be chess, building apps, painting sneakers, writing music, cooking like Gordon Ramsay in a Walmart kitchen. Doesn't matter. What matters is, it's yours, and it pulls you in so deep that time disappears. That's real focus. Not forcing your brain to avoid distraction, but giving it something so rich, so meaningful, that distraction feels boring. Think about Kobe Bryant. Dude would shoot 800 times in a single practice. That wasn't discipline, it was obsession. Or Billie Eilish, recording songs in her bedroom until the world couldn't ignore her. They didn't fix their attention span, they fed it. So here's the punchline. Stop asking how to fight distraction. Start asking what's so important, so exciting, that distraction can't compete. Because your brain isn't broken, it's just waiting for you to give it something real.